So it's very important to put your antenna on the outside of a car. But I've seen other solutions. You run a long cable to an antenna on the roof. Well, that works, but with these small radios, anything, antenna wire, it's anything more than 2 or 3 feet, really becomes problematic, because the power is so small in these little radios. So the best solution is to keep a radio as close to the antenna as you can, and that's what this is intended to solve. And this is a little 3D print, and I'll put a link to it in the bottom, in the description, a link to this little 3D printed thing. And I'll show you what it looks like once it's on the car. So you see that you can see it clipped onto the window, and you can roll the window up and down, and there it is. But so what you do is you get something like this, and there's a link in the description for this. This is just a little pigtail or extension cable. You take that cable and you put it